Hi folks, this is Mary here in Junction City, Oregon. I would love to show you this tab. This is a little guy. This is a 2013, so it is used, slightly used. Still got a lot of life left to it. So as you can see, it's really short, low profile, and it's a very lightweight. So if you're looking for a small lightweight trailer just for a couple people to go camping, this is a perfect one. So as we can see, I still have room to stand up in here. So this is your bed and your dinette, right? So it's kind of like a little van. In van life, everything is, dual purpose. So this is your table, your dinette, and then you're gonna just kind of change it into a bed. So it's actually a pretty good sized bed here. You do have cabinet space behind me here. So these are each individual. They're not passed through all the way. And then I want to show you that there's a TV. And of course, this is your bug screen. These are great windows too. Little guy does a great job. Tab does a really good job of making good quality trailers. So this one has these that will open up. So this is dual pane, an awning style window, and they're very well insulated. And so this is a great unit. If you do see that there's an AC right there. So here's the shower. Let's see how much room I've got here. Okay, so I can still stand up. I can move around. If I was really sandy, I would definitely shut this door. I would be able to rinse off my entire body. There is storage back here, so you can put toilet paper and things like that. So this is mostly a trailer that people are going to spend time outdoors. So that's what you're going to do in a trailer like this. You're going to come in, you're going to take a nap, you're going to make your food, and then you're going to go out and go to the waterfall and do your adventuring. But this is perfect if you want something small. But as you can see, this kitchen, it's small, but you do have extra space here because they cover the stove. And then you do have a really nice big window, which makes it feel more open. So when I'm cooking, I'm going to be looking outside at the beautiful view, that I'm parked by, a river or some kind of waterfall. Then I do have a sink here, and I do have a small fridge. And the cabinet space up above, just enough to put some, paper plates and bowls, just the things that you would need. There are no drawers for silverware or anything like that, so you'd have to get a little caddy. But it's very small, and that's the beauty about something like this. One thing I wanted to mention is that this is all real wood cabinetry, so it's very light, and just the detail of, little guy trailers, they do a really good job, and that shows the workmanship of this trailer, which is really nice. So thanks for watching this video. My name is Mary. If you'd like to give me a call and look at this little trailer, my number is 406-850-4590, and I am at the Junction City location here in Oregon. So thanks for watching.